नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I, JD Dr. MP Sharma, Professor, Faculty of Homeopathy Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. It is my topic. Today's topic is 2.0 version. My topic is blood. So let us move for the blood. First of all, we will start with the definition. What is blood? Blood is red in color. Blood contains RBC, WBC, platelets. But blood is red in color, semi-solid. It is highly viscous. It is opaque, and it is liquid and solid. The composition of the blood is liquid and solids. Under liquid there is one plasma, and in the solid there are cells. So first of all, the liquid portion, that plasma, which is having 45% and solid part is 55%. In the plasma, with the organic and inorganic and gases, that is also 8%. In solid there are RBC, WBC and platelets. Now let us start with the solid part, that means RBC. RBC is other name is the erythrocytes, and it is non-nucleate cells which is having no nucleus, but its number is higher than the WBC. It is red in color. It is disc or dumbbell shaped or spherical shaped, whereas WBC is white blood corpuscles, white blood cells, which is numbers are 4,000 to 11,000 per cubic millimeter of blood, whereas RBC is 5 to 5.5 million per cubic blood. Now WBC is colorless, but it's having the nucleus, and nucleus will convert it into nucleolus. So WBC is also divided into two parts. One is agranulocyte, second is the granulocyte. Agranulocyte means absence of granules, whereas the granulocytes having fine pink color of the granules. Whereas in case of the agranulocyte, there are two cells, monocyte and lymphocytes. Lymphocytes again divide into small lymphocytes or large lymphocytes. These lymphocytes are T lymphocytes or B lymphocytes. Whereas granulocytes are three types. One is the neutrophil, second is the eosinophil, third is the basophil. The percentage wise, it is neutrophil is 50 to 70%, eosinophil 1 to 6%, and basophil 0 to 1%. It is very, very rarely. Whereas third one is the platelets. Platelet means thrombocytes, other name is the thrombocytes, and its normal value is 2 to 4 lakhs per cubic millimeter of the blood. So these three are the granulocytes, and two is the non-granulocyte, agranulocyte. Now, what is the function? What is the description? Description means these one, and functions of the blood. Functions blood is First one is the transportation of the gas, means exchange of the gases. The person who is inspire oxygen and expire carbon dioxide. So inspiration by the oxygen and expiration by the carbon dioxide. So we will inspire the oxygen and we are giving the oxygen, we will inspire the oxygen from the environmental plants, whereas we are giving the expiration, the carbon dioxide to the plants or environments. Second point is transportation of the nutrition. Means whatever we will make, whatever we will eat, that is to transport through the metabolism by the liver cells and it goes toward the whole of the body. So that is why we will get the 38 ATP energy. 38 ATP means adenosine triphosphate and it stores in the mitochondria of the cells. So that is why we will say the mitochondria is the powerhouse of the energy. Now next is ion balance. Ion balance same is the third is, that is why we will say the ions and water balance. Water, whatever we will eat, drink in the whole day, that should be eliminated from our kidney. That is why the transportation means we will inject and output, that both are equal. If we will drink 300 milliliter of water in a time, after 2.5 hours, that 300 water is elimination from our kidney, and it is about the kidney function test. What that is the renal function test. So we will have to have in our laboratory renal function RFT, renal function test. Similarly, electrolytes and enzymes which are also covered by the blood. So body temperature. Suppose the environmental temperature will be high, but our temperature, body temperature is not so much. So it will take few times. So that is why in due course the temperature of the body as well as the temperature of the environment, that will be equal. So it is all about the blood functions. Namaste. I hope you will be satisfied. This is my topic. If you have any query, you please put on the box, complaint box, or आपका जो भी है, that is why we will see, and we will sort out your problems in the problem solving class in the urgent basis.